So on these Toro mowers, Toro and X Marks, on these 30-inch, these wheels sometimes get bent out a little bit. Happens quite often. So I'm going to show you how we fix that. Christian, will you hold the camera for me? Will you hold it? All right. So what you got to do, this area right here, that's where you want to hit it. So turn around backwards, hit it with your heel. That straightens them out. Same thing with this one here. I don't have my boots on, but that straightens them out.